We are group number 9 from 12HA2 and we will be locating and describing the different parts of the kidney through dissection of pig's kidney. Allana.
Starting off, we can see the fibrous capsule. It encloses and it serves as a protection of the fat kidney. Next, these are the remains of the perirenal fat capsule.
These are the fats.
The perirenal fat capsule helps anchor the kidneys in place and protect against blows. Next, we have a medial indentation which is called the renal hilum. The renal hilum is where ureters, arteries, veins, and the nerves that supply the kidney enters and exits to.
We will now dissect the kidney along the coronal plane in order to get a view of the inside portion. Okay, so first in the internal part of the kidney is the renal cortex. The renal cortex is the outer part of the kidney. It contains the glomerulus and convoluted tubules. The renal cortex is surrounded on its outer edges by the renal capsule, a layer of fatty tissue. Together, the renal cortex and capsule house and protect the inner structures of the kidney.
So next is the renal medulla, which is the smooth inner tissue of the kidney. It contains the loop of Henle as well as the renal pyramids. Located within the renal medulla are the renal pyramids, which are here. The renal pyramids are triangular regions of tissue that contains a dense network of nephrons. We can also locate here the renal columns. They are extensions of cortex-like materials responsible for separating the renal pyramids.
So lastly, we have the renal pelvis there, located in the medial region. So it is a flat funnel-shaped tube in the innermost part of the kidney, connected to the ureter. So its main function is to serve as a pathway for fluid on its way to the bladder. Now we also have the renal artery, the renal vein, and the ureter. So the renal artery, it enters into the kidney and brings blood to it. It also has a thicker wall compared to the renal vein. On the other hand, the renal vein, so it exits the kidney with the filtered blood back to the system. And then the ureter, the ureter leads to the urinary bladder.
Again, the parts of the kidney for the external parts, we have the fibrous capsule, fats of the perirenal fat capsule, the renal hilum, and for the internal parts, we have the renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pyramid, the renal column, renal pelvis, renal artery, renal vein, and the ureter. Thank you for watching our group's demonstration on the different parts of the kidney. We hope you have learned something new from this video.